Hi everyone, this is David Hofmann over at North Hill Mazda, and we're here today to talk about G-Vector steering. So what G-Vector steering does is when you're taking a corner, it naturally reduces the engine power and sends power to the front wheels. And what that's doing is it's counterbalancing the feeling of inertia that you would have when you're taking a corner. Now, in addition to that, it also makes for safer cornering on low traction surfaces, and it's been proven. So we're going to be testing out G-Vector steering at a traffic circle here today. So let's get going. Here we go. So we are in a 2018 Mazda 3 Sport GS, and I'm just going to accelerate a little bit through the traffic circle here. Here we go. And we'll take it through here again. Here we go. So all around safer cornering and better ride handling. So yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. And this is David Hofmann at North Hill Mazda. Bye for now.